Okay, this is a video about some of our successes and failures so far with the Tina2 printer. By Weedo. And so this shows you different information about this. We get our designs from the Thingiverse, and some girls wanted a dragon. This is a Christmas dragon, so that's our first failure. When we reduce the size down to fit the Tina2, the articulations are so small that the pieces break off. Here's the remainder that I couldn't even get off of the base, the raft. This little guy came out pretty good, but that's a single print on a simple base. On to the next thing. They wanted a cat, so we did this cat keyring bookmark, and we went to the Tinkercad, and we found this text that we could add to our bookmark, and we found that we could change this to Bailey's name and then insert it into the bookmark. That's how we did that. And then we printed it. That works. We did it with Abby and her bookmark, also a rose bookmark. It is a thinner bookmark, so it came out not quite so good. And then we got into printing different modifications, like this modification that I tried to do on this Lego to add a second gear connector or axle connector next to the existing one. So we got this Lego piece off of Thingiverse, brought it into Tinkercad, and my idea was to add some filler into a circle right here, and then use the text I'll show you how I planned on doing it with the capital I. And then from that, change it to a hole, and then drag it over here to this area. And I want to make sure that the negative part here, the whole material, extended down below the level of this block here, below the level, so that I knew that there wouldn't be any plastic at the bottom of the hole. But what that does is, I found out afterwards, it tells the computer to make the base right here only, the part that touched the lowest part. So that's why we got this base like this. If I had made this idea above the plane, then I would have gotten a base on the entire Lego beam. because there was no base under this end of the beam, it messed it all up on the print. Same thing happened with this half a butterfly. It created a base on a part that was below, right down here, created a base, and then it did not create a base under the rest of the butterfly, so that half a butterfly is messed up. So we're learning about this, and we're learning the mistakes we're making, and we're trying to improve as we go along. So there will be more about this.